Termites are one of the most difficult insects to control because they tunnel in the soil and can get into houses unseen by either the homeowner or the pest control operator. Now it's possible for you to outsmart termites using their own foraging behavior. But we need to go through some of these behaviors and tell you what has been generated over the space of years by researchers. Fractal, edge, and directed foraging are hidden behaviors that determine termite treatment success. In termite control, understanding how termites move through the soil is more important than science. It's a strategy. You may have heard the terms fractal foraging and edge foraging, and how do these behaviors actually affect whether your termite treatments get hit or missed entirely? The answer could determine the success of your termite protection program and the number of callbacks you face. The three primary termite foraging behaviors are fractal foraging, edge foraging, and directed foraging and recruitment. What is fractal foraging? Fractal foraging is the branching pattern termites use to explore soil in search of food. Imagine a web-like pattern spreading throughout the ground and picture a web-like network expanding underground. These tunnels branch or at roughly 80-degree angles, creating a predictable but wide-reaching search pattern. If all termite behavior was purely fractal, stations placed 10 to 20 feet apart would almost always be intercepted eventually. But real-world results show it's not that simple. Stations can and often do fail. That comes down to understanding what is edge foraging. Edge foraging occurs when termites follow linear structures like roots, cables, pipes, and even driveways or sidewalks directly to the structure. These paths are easier for termites to tunnel along than creating fractal tunnels entirely on their own. With edge foraging behavior, termites can completely bypass the termite treatments carefully placed by pest control operators. If your treatment relies solely on random interception, you could be missing infestations altogether. What is directed foraging? Directed foraging is often classified as recruitment. It happens when termites detect a valuable resource like wood to consume. They can lay down trail pheromones, triggering thousands of nest mates to follow the exact path, often forming a straight or curved line rather than random branches. When wood is discovered, termites follow a straight or curved path towards the food source instead of branching out randomly. This is the same behavior termites use when communicating inside their colony. Now we can leverage this behavior in the field with HydroTrail. HydroTrail mimics termite trail pheromones to fool termites into believing food has been found. It initiates recruitment behavior, guiding termites directly into treatment zones rather than hoping they stumble across them. Why does this matter for termite control? If you're relying solely on baiting systems, you're depending on foraging to bring termites to the station. That's a gamble. HydroTrail changes the game by creating a directional soil treatment that mimics the termite trail pheromones that recruit other termites to the food source. By creating a pheromone like soil trail, HydroTrail shifts behavior from random to recruitment based. It increases station interception, and it drives faster and more reliable termite discovery. In field trials, termites hit HydroTrail treated stations in as little as 1 month, while untreated stations went untouched after 3 months or longer. So follow the science. Follow the trail with HydroTrail. Pest management professionals can now use behavioral science to create proactive interception, not passive protection. Are you ready to reduce missed stations? Are you ready to improve detection speed and offer a greener and smarter solution? HydroTrail moves termites to the stations, not the other way around. It results in fewer missed stations, faster detection, and greener, more effective solutions.